The Department of Health has reported a breach of an online system connected to death records. Officials say in late January, state and federal officials were notified of unauthorized activity in the electronic death registry system. An investigation found an account was compromised and about 3,400 death records may have been viewed, records that contain sensitive information such as Social Security numbers. DOH says the records could not be altered and no death certificates were accessed. The state is in the process of notifying surviving family members if any information was accessed.